I got news from my girlfriend that there's a dog that seems to be lost and scared. It's stuck in between a fence. It might still be there. It's not too far from my house, so I'm gonna go and see if we can get this dog to its home. I'm gonna scare this dog off by rolling up to it. My girlfriend's over there with the Chihuahua. My dog might scare it off. Okay. New, calm down. Where was he?
He was literally trapped in between someone's fence. Well, first
Hi.
he was running on the side of that road, and that's where I saw him.
Come here, Chichi. Hi. Chi.
Cute baby. Is he the cutest?
He's scared. Grab him if you can. Just grab him. Hi. Grab him. Grab him. It's fine. He won't hurt you. He's so tiny. Yeah. He likes you. He's scared shitless of me. He's cute though. He's actually, hey. He's a cute little Chi. You want him?
Yeah.
Maybe. Don't be scared. He's not gonna bite you now. Just put him in the blanket. Okay, now pick him up. It's okay, Bubba. Just, yeah. We got him. We got the puppy. Hi, Chi-Chi.
He's so cute.
He is cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so secured the little Chi. Oh, okay. He don't like me. He likes Rachel, but he doesn't like me. He just tried to nip at me.
He tried to bite me a few times too, but
It's okay. Well, where should we take him?
I don't know, cause
If we take him to an animal shelter, then
he's just gonna be another dog in the pound.
he don't like me. He's mean mugging right now.
He needs to adjust to you, baby. Shh.
Okay, it's okay. All right. So step one, we've captured the little Chi. Oh my gosh.
He's a keeper.
He is a keeper. He's cute. New's getting so excited. Hey, off the camera, Bubba. So as of now, you know, we got the little guy. We don't have to worry about him getting hit by a car anymore. So we're gonna figure out what's going on. We're gonna evaluate the situation and try to find the owner. But for now, we're gonna just go get him some food. Bought him a little bit of soft food and hard food. Got him warmed up to me a little bit. Now he's just chilling. We're just straight chilling. Hi. Hi, Chi. He's still nervous though. So, Bubba, his name's not Bubba. So his name's Lucky. And we found the owner. Just talked to her. And yeah. Lucky. Hi, Lucky. Okay, so he actually pays attention when you call him by his real name. Do you call him Bubba's?
Bubba's.
Oh yeah, we were calling him Bubba. I call my dog that too.
Oh.
He looks so happy.
He is. Oh, he was so nervous. Yeah, he's scared. Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad we found you guys. Oh, look at him. Thank you very much. Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Aww.
So that's a good feeling. No, not we. Rachel single-handedly found the owner. How'd you do it?
Posted it on a bunch of lost and found websites, and thankfully someone emailed me and told me that they saw a listing of the dog on a different website, and I was able to get their contact information and got him back to his family.
It's really important that if you find a dog, I really recommend that you actually go through trying to find the owner, whether it's posters, posting online, because social media is exactly what found the owner. So thanks for watching.